Why do 80% of Steam Deck players experience lag in Titan Quest 2? Don't let low FPS hold you back. Here's how to boost performance in under a minute. First, press the three-dot button on your Steam Deck and head to the Performance tab. Turn on the Performance overlay. This lets you check your FPS and battery life in real time. Next, set a frame rate limit, like 30 FPS for smoother gameplay and longer sessions. Jump into Titan Quest 2's graphics settings. Drop graphics quality to low or medium and lower the resolution to 1024x640 for that perfect 16:10 fit. Enable the NIS scaling filter and set sharpness around 8 for crisper visuals without a performance hit. Turn off dynamic crowds, lower shadow and model quality, and set background FPS to 30. In-game, try zooming the camera out a bit and disable camera shake for a smoother ride. Pro tip: disable extra overlays and make sure your antivirus isn't scanning the game folder. Keep an eye on your FPS using the overlay. Adjust as needed until your game feels buttery smooth. Smash that like if these tips helped, and subscribe for more Steam Deck